Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I am so excited to share with you what's cooking in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for November. In November, we're featuring Sew Santa. It's a clear mount 10-piece stamp set from the new Stampin' Up! 2018 holiday catalog. It's a really fun stamp set. It's great to color. It features Santa in some traditional ways like baking cookies and in some not so traditional ways like kicking back on the beach and riding a scooter. I've had a really great time designing this class for you. I hope you'll join me in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom in November. There are two ways that you can join me online for this class. The first is online only. You can join me online only if you've already got the Sew Santa stamp set, you've already got a demonstrator you love. If you are a demonstrator, if you've got all the stamping supplies you could ever need, online only, you'll get the project sheets and the videos for 4 projects. The project sheets include full color photos, measurements, step-by-step instructions, and supply lists, and the videos go step by step. That's $15, and you need to register for the online classroom by November 12th. If you'd like to take the class with the stamps and the kits, that's the easy button. The stamp set and the kits for 4 projects. These are our projects. Got a great little candy bag, and this little candy bag is made from your Project Life or your Memories and More page protectors. Pretty cool, right? All right, and 3 cards. The Sew Santa online class with products and kits is $32, $8 priority shipping if shipping is required. We can arrange porch pickup if you're local. And the class is available right now to register at KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom. Registration closes November 8th. If you've got any questions about the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom, Sew Santa class, the projects, email me, Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. To register and learn more about this class, head over to KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom. And for local stampers, if you live in the Chicago area and you'd like to take this class with me, class is $32. It's here in my Rolling Meadows home studio on November 12th at 6:30, and you need to register with your payment for class by November 1st. All right, guys, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the classroom. If you've got questions, reach out, Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the online classroom.